The Gold Notes is just a new feature that has been updated on Instagram, and people using it think they are the chosen ones. Today, I'm going to show you how to get those shiny gold notes on Instagram on your phone. First things first, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Got the latest version? Awesome. Now let's dive in. Open Instagram. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the inbox icon. It's at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on Notes. You'll see the Notes feature right there. Now here's the magic part. To get that gold theme, you need to include the word gold in your note. For example, type something like "I like gold," and then tap the share at the top right corner. And voila! Your note now has that golden touch. Remember, if you don't include the word gold and you type the word, the gold theme won't be applied, so always make sure to add it in. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing. We'll see you in the next video.